Okay, I am uploading the second video to YouTube. I'm using the bathroom as my office because the dang cats get in and ruin things. So, and also I'm going to try and get as much done today as I can in this mess. Today is Memorial Day 2021 and everything is a mess. And this is kind of how I live because I work so much. I got all these things on here because the cats get up here and climb on everything. I try to keep them out. Got stuff come in and other stuff. Got cats, got clothes. So I'm gonna try and get this bedroom under some kind of control today, and hopefully it won't take much more than a couple hours. But I went to work today, loaded the trailer, and also I went shopping and got a bunch of cleaning products and food and stuff for the kitty cats. And so I have to go through all that. Alright, let's see how well I do.